Okay, so now we're ready to core drill through the foundation wall. That is an 8-inch solid block. So it's 8 inches thick, all the way across it. And we're going to use the Bosch hammer drill. This is the tool that you've got to rent, or if you happen to have one, great, because you're going to need it to get through this wall. So here's our hammer drill. You can see we use it a lot. And we're going to use a 2-inch bit. This is diamond cord. Those are little diamond studs on the end of that thing. And what it does is it hammers and it turns at the same time. It drills and hammers, so it should just go through there like butter. Haha. We'll set this up. I've already made the measurement from the inside. Pretty simple. We'll go ahead and get started. So I made the measurement from the inside using this vent, and it's exactly in this line right here. So what I'm going to do, this is the center of this center block, and it's straight down from where I made my measurement. Real simple. Let's go ahead and drill our hole straight down from the top. Let's go ahead and get started right there. Okay, so there's the core. You can see it's a perfect 2-inch hole, and that's the outer diameter of the 1.5 inches, and it slides right inside. So I'm using a whole 10-foot piece, and we'll cut that off to length, both inside. You can see a 10-footer. We'll cut that off inside and outside when we're ready. Okay, so here on the discharge, as it comes out through the wall, try to get as close as you can. Remember that you're putting a 90 on here. So you've got to have, it'd be nice if you could get it right up to the wall, but an inch away is fine. Go ahead and cut that pipe off. And you kind of get bloody knuckles, but cut it off. Now we're able to plumb this. We'll glue this up, of course. We'll plumb this down. It'll go underground. It'll come out to a pop-up. So a good amount of glue, and just push it on there, kind of twist and hold it. Make sure you're pointing down. Twist and hold that. You can see we have a little play there. That works good. Then we're going to make the measurement down to the bottom. What we do is we just set the fitting down here, on the ground, and we make that measurement to the top. The camera won't quite fit in there. There we go. Make that measurement. I'm going to put the bottom fitting on first, and then just force it right up inside there. There we go. Nice and tight. And take a look. So that's coming out of the wall, as you can see, and now we'll put our discharge line out, coming out through this. Here at the actual discharge, we're going to go ahead and glue a couple of fittings on here. First one is a little donut, and this actually is an interesting fitting because you can only get that at a plumbing supply store. If you can't find it, you're welcome to give me a call. I can help you get one. But that it goes from 1.5 inch PVC to thin-walled 3-inch, and it's definitely a fitting that you got to look for. But we'll go ahead and glue that up. Nice. Then we'll stick the 3-inch on there. Perfect. And then finally, we're going to put this little grate there, and we're going to put a set screw right here to hold it in place because the pump's powerful. It can push that off of there. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.